Yes, it doesn't get. Ooh. Yeah, and we are copying business as usual. Well, not copying, but we're video responding to your little cinnamon deal. Now she's gonna try to swallow it. Yo.
Can't you? Can I swallow? Wait, that was not.
No, it has to be a lot.
Ooh.
That wasn't.
Here goes. Come on. Ew.
You're supposed to have water. So this is entertaining. What?
Oh my god, is this disgusting? I'm gonna throw up. No, I'm not.
They threw up.
Oh my god.
You look funny. Ew. There's a video recording. Wait, why did that taste bad? Are you sure it tasted bad?
It is so bad, man.
Why? Ew, you're such a man. I'm enjoying this so much.
I've never seen it again.
Why not? I think you should.
You're better.
No, like, seriously, what did it taste like?
Like that.
I didn't know you ate dead people.
That was gross.
Why so?
Oh, God, man.
You look really funny.
I need a napkin.
Use your manners. I guess she doesn't have any.
Oh, I know. No. That was... Man.
Are you sure it tasted bad? Because I want to try.
I don't know if you want to do that.
What it tastes like? Wait, let me... It doesn't taste bad.
It's all in there and it gets to the back of your throat. And it just... I've got to taste my boy.